Hello, good morning class 8. So as you have already got the syllabus and routine for your PA exam, so today I am here to revise chapter 1, first chapter, that is crop protection. So according to your syllabus, you have chapter 1 and chapter 2 in this PA 1. First it is crop production and management, and second it is microbes. Today in this period we will revise the exercise questions, objective questions, as well as quick assignment part and chapter based practice paper. Already I have informed that you have to practice the quick assignment part and chapter based practice paper as well. So let's start with the exercise. In exercise there are one word questions, so you have to revise like number 1, name the agricultural implement commonly used for sowing the seeds. Answer is seed drill. Seed drill is the implement which is used for sowing the seed. Number 2, would you sow the seeds which float on water? Would you sow the seeds? That is, before sowing the seeds, the farmers test whether the seed is in good condition or not. So if a seed is diseased seed or damaged seed, then when the seeds are soaked in water, the damaged seeds, the diseased seeds will float on water. So obviously we will not sow those seeds, okay? So question is, would you sow the seed which float on water? Your answer would be no. Next, which crop is grown in rainy season? You have read about two types of crop, two crop seasons, Rabi crop and Kharif crop. Yes, you are correct. It is Kharif crop. Next question, what is the rearing of honeybees on large scale is called? Answer is apiculture, correct. Last question in one word, name 2 dairy products. It's very easy, you can write any 2 dairy products. All the rest of the question answers you have already been supplied. Also practice the odd one out, and you have already seen the sample question for PA, so it's going to be objective type. Therefore, please revise this odd one out. Suppose you get the question that which is odd one out. In that case, you should revise this portion also. Please turn your page. Next, quick assignment part. First question, the crop where transplantation is necessary. The crop where transplantation is necessary. There are 4 options: wheat, maize, paddy and sorghum, that is jowar. We all know that paddy is the crop where transplantation is followed, right? So answer is paddy. Number 2, the most common weed which grows almost with all the crop. Okay, which is the unwanted plant that we see around almost with all the crops? There are 4 options: wild oat, amaranthus, grass or chenopodium. Yes, you are correct. The answer is grass. Grasses grow everywhere. Grasses grow very, very fast also, right? But you must know grass is one of the weed. So in the cropland, it should be avoided. The overgrowth of grasses may hamper the growth of the main crop. Okay, so grasses should be plucked, okay, uprooted. Question number 3, nitrogen deficiency of soil can be made up by using the principle of. There are 4 options. Number A, crop rotation. Number B, transplantation. C, multiple cropping. D, broadcasting. So nitrogen deficiency to the plant is made up by, is it transplantation? No, but obviously not. Multiple cropping? Not even. Multiple cropping cannot made up the nitrogen deficiency. Broadcasting is a completely different option. Broadcasting is the method of sowing the seeds, as you know. So it is crop rotation, right? Rotation of cereal crop or pulses, cereal crop with pulses or other crops with pulses make up the nitrogen deficiency. Why? Because pulses grow along with the rhizobium bacterium, right, in their root nodules. So rhizobium help in nitrogen fixation. Next question. DDT, BHC and malathion belong to a class of compound called DDT, BHC, malathion. These are the chemicals which are weedicides, right, to kill the weeds. Okay. Insecticide it is. DDT, BHC, these are insecticide to kill the insects. Question 5. Rearing of honeybees on large scale is known as apiculture. Next, there are some one-word questions. Number 1, crop grown during winter. Yes, it is rabi crop. Number 2, process of removing weeds from the crop. Removing weeds is the process of weeding. Okay, weeding. A man-made inorganic compound which supplies specific nutrient to the soil. Specific nutrient. Here the answer is fertilizer. Fertilizer is the inorganic compound which supplies specific nutrient to the soil, right? Next question. Rearing cattle for producing milk and milk product on large scale is known as dairying, right? In dairy farm, these cattle are grown for the purpose of milk and milk products. Next question. Rearing and breeding of birds is called, yes, of course, it is poultry. Now in the chapter based practice paper, there are a few questions like, which is the process called, what is the name of the process of loosening and upturning of the soil? I think you all know already. It is not threshing, not leveling, not manuring even, it is ploughing, correct? Ploughing help in loosening and upturning of the soil, right? Next, the chemicals which can kill pest but do not harm the plants. Okay, they are pesticides. Yes. Next, fill in the blanks. Seed drill is used for dash the seed. Seed drill is used for sowing the seeds. The process of separating grain from chaff and hay is called winnowing. By the help of wind. Winnowing, right? Next, wild plants which grow along with the main crop are called, of course, weeds. Next, dash and dash are fungal disease of wheat. So here you have to name 2 fungal diseases of wheat. Those who have already read the lesson, yes, rust and smut. RUST, rust, and SMUT, smut are the 2 fungal diseases of wheat. Next, shifting of tiny plants from a nursery to the main field is called transplantation, correct? Okay. Last, I will discuss this true or false part. Winter crops are known as rabi crops. Yes. Food grains can be safely stored just after harvesting and threshing. No. Because just after harvesting and threshing, the grains have to be dried before storing. Yes. Because otherwise, if the grains are not dried, if there is a lot of amount of moisture in them, that will cause fungal growth easily. So number 2 is false. Number 3, a machine called combine is used for harvesting and threshing. Yes, what is the answer? True. Combine is the machine which is used for harvesting and threshing. Number 4, the crop that does not need standing water is paddy. Okay, you have to think the answer. Paddy. While sowing paddy, we need standing water. So, this is, question is the crop that does not need standing water is paddy. This is false. 5, fish nurseries are called hatcheries. Fish nurseries are called hatcheries. Yes or no? Yes, true. Okay, so we are done with chapter 1.